Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Welcome back to the channel. For this week's video, I want to go through the options income ending on Friday, September 3rd. All of the options trades for this past week of trading. If you guys took a look at my prior video I put out about 5-6 days ago, I went through the last 2 months of trading, went through all of the trades for complete transparency, went through a spreadsheet showing you guys the income. For this week, I want to go through the portfolio. I'll show you the trades that were pending on Friday, and then we'll do an updated video to see how those trades turned out. Fortunately for this week, all of the trades ended with no executions, meaning I did not have to sell off any of the stocks in the portfolio or buy any stocks, put stock contracts on the portfolio. So a very successful week of trading with options. Some of my options trades, the stocks that I've had in the portfolio, stocks that I have been doing covered calls on, have trended down a bit. So overall, lost money this week, but for the options trades, very successful, none executed, and made $3,100 this week of trading. Let's go ahead and jump into the portfolio. This is on Friday before the end of trading on Friday. You can notice that because on the Robinhood portfolio, Robinhood screen here, it is a white background. That means there's active hours trading. If you go through the portfolio here, you can see trading around 740,000 or so, dropping off quite dramatically there. As you can see, down 11,200 before the end of trading on Friday. So definitely trended down quite a bit. Not happy about that. But again, let's go through all of the trades. We'll go down in just a minute here. Last one we could trade, you can see kind of an up and down pattern here, around 740, getting down to 710s or so. Currently 727. Now let's go down to the options trades. These are all of the trades that will be ending on Friday. Again, this is September 3rd. This is before the end of trading on September 3rd. You can see options here. Boeing, Crispr, CRSP, HOOD, HOOD, Tesla, TSLA. These are the trades I've been doing. This is a Boeing call. This means I have Boeing in the portfolio and I'm potentially selling this off for $265. You can see 12 contracts here. On the bottom here, not a lot of premium just because these are very safe trades. So a few dollars there. And again, I'll recap all the dollar amounts at the end of the video. CRISPR, CRSP, again, I have this in the portfolio. 130 call, meaning I would have to sell off at 130 if this did execute. You can see on the bottom here, $330 and $200, 5 contracts total for that. Again, this is a put contract. This is a contract that I would have to sell, or excuse me, I would have to buy the stock. We got to 118, up on top there, 950 for premium. A HOOD put contract, again, I would have to buy HOOD if it got below $40. I would have to buy it at $40. You can see in the middle there, 9340 put sell, $350 credited to the account. So very good income for some of these higher risk stocks here. A $54 call, meaning I have to sell this off at $54. I have this in the portfolio currently. If you open that up, you can see just one contract, $10. There's a few more contracts with HOOD as well, which we'll go through here. $53 call, meaning I would have to sell off at $53. If HOOD did get up to that price point, $53, you can see 29 contracts, a negative 29, meaning I sold off 29 contracts. And again, you can see in the middle there, 53 call sells, $100 and $190. So because it trended back quite considerably, these aren't very high value, high premium trades at this point. A Tesla $750 put, meaning if it got below $715, I would have to buy Tesla at $715. One contract there, $203. And a 680 put, meaning if it got below 680, I'd have to buy for $680. The middle there, $765 credited to portfolio. And this is a contract here, $680 put contract. You can see these vary quite considerably throughout the day, around $4 down to $3. Negative 1 contracts, meaning I sold one off here. This will be for next Friday, $410. So those are all of the contracts, again, pre-market, or excuse me, pre-close on Friday, September 3rd. Now let's jump over to today. This is after all of these trades have executed. This is on Saturday. You can see the portfolio currently at $727,000. We scroll down under options, you can see they have all disappeared. There is just that one Tesla contract for next week pending here. Again, let's open that up here. Tesla $680 put, meaning I would have to buy Tesla if it got below $680. Negative 1 contract there. And on the bottom, you can see I sold that off for $400. One contract at $4. each contract is 100 shares, so 100 times 4 would equal that $400 premium credited to the account. Let's go ahead and go all the way down in the portfolio. I have a separate section where I have all my options trades, or the stocks I'm using with options trades. And you can see here Boeing, and some of these are large holdings in the portfolio. Boeing, 1,200 shares. Ford, 17,700 shares. CGC, 2,000 shares. Crispr, 500 shares. And HOOD, 3,000 shares. Unfortunately, the stocks that I've already sold off, Tesla, TSLA, Apple, AAPL, and Coin, COIN, those all trended up, but they're no longer in the portfolio. And all the stocks I do have in the portfolio have trended down quite considerably here. Let's go over to the history, and I'll just show you these trades have all expired. None of these have executed here. You can see the $53 call expiration, $265 for Boeing, Crispr 130, HOOD 40, Tesla 715, HOOD 54, Tesla 680, Crispr 118. You can see these all expired. If we open that up here, you can see the details of all of those trades. So that means none of these contracts executed. I still keep that premium on the account that we discussed prior. And for next week, I'll go ahead and repeat this process. So this is a sheet just showing the trades here. You can see total 3,100 on the right. You can see all the trades, the price points, whether it's a put contract or a sell contract, and the day of expiration. Again, these all expired on 9/3 on Friday. And here is another graphic here. This is for the total year so far, 35 weeks so far. Total options premium to the portfolio, $106,000, $266. I did have some swing trades here as well, $84,590.02. On the right there, you can see the large negative hold. This is mainly for HOOD, the CRISPR and CGC trades that I've been doing. Large holdings. Unfortunately, a lot of those stocks have pulled back, so negative 54,000. If we add up all of top of those three columns there, 106, 84, and 54, net so far is $136,000, $658 to the portfolio. And yearly, that would extrapolate out to about $160,000 or so. So far, so good. I'm hoping that hold on the right there does go down considerably, or at least the negative disappears, I should say, so that would increase. Those aren't trades that have executed, meaning that is a potential loss. Still holding in the portfolio, so it's a paper loss. That swing is trades that have already executed. And within that trading number there, that 84,592, there's quite a few positive trades, as you can imagine, but there's also some negatives in there as well. And I can go through all of those trades in another video. But so far, so good. Again, for this video, 3,100 for all of the trades ending on Friday, September 3rd. So not too bad. Again, I'm hoping some of these contracts, or I'm hoping most of these contracts do not expire. I simply collect the premium on the portfolio. I would like to get out of HOOD. That definitely was a mistake getting into HOOD. I put some very aggressive put contracts in. I had to buy at $53 and $54. Definitely hoping to sell that off in the next couple of weeks or so. There's been quite a few negative articles surrounding HOOD Robinhood, some of the ways in which it makes money, which it can offer free trades to investors like myself. But unfortunately, some of that income stream may be cut off. I'll kind of detail that in a different video, but definitely very high risk with HOOD at this point, so I'm maybe wanting to get out of that. I might even sell off for a loss. Again, those swing trades in the middle there, 84,592. There's some negative trades in there as well. As long as I can get out of the stock and still make some premium with regards to put contracts and sell contracts, that's what I'm worried about for this portfolio. But again, not to make the video too long, just wanted to quickly go through this week's of trading. Again, all the trades here up on the screen. 3,100 to the right, that is the premium I made for this week, and none of these contracts executed, meaning they simply dissolved. I kept the premium, and I'll put in contracts for next week starting on Tuesday, since it is a stock market holiday on Monday. So again, if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, if you guys enjoyed the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until next video, we'll see you then.